I was just about to start filming in here, cleaning and putting my Halloween stuff away when I got a package in the mail at my door, and this is what I got. So I'm gonna be doing some cleaning in here today. I wanna take all of my Halloween stuff down and pack it away, which is not gonna be fun. And then I'm gonna put everything back on the bookshelf that usually goes there. And yeah, do some freshening up in here. But since this just got in, I might as well open it and try it out because I just got it and I'm so excited to try this. And honestly, it came just in time because over the Halloween weekend, we went to the Renaissance Festival and we did so much walking that my feet were killing me by the time the day was over. Like before we even left the festival, my feet were killing me and they continued to hurt for days. They're still hurting me, but not as bad. I ended up calculating from my little walking app that we walked over 7 miles that day. 7 miles in shoes that were not that comfortable. So my feet need this. Anyway, so this is the Bob and Brad foot massager. It is a kneading shiatsu massager that has heat, air, compression. It also has 3 levels of knead intensity, 4 levels of air pressure, and 2 levels of heat. This is gonna be fabulous. So let's go ahead and get it open, see what's inside. I'm gonna set it up and then I'm gonna use it. Who said I can't relax a little bit before I get some cleaning done? I'll probably need it before and after anyway. Alright, so I just got it out of the box and this is what it looks like. Got a little Ziploc bag here. Is that a remote control? The first thing we have here is a user manual. Next up, we got the power plug, and we also got a remote control. But yeah, so it's got the power button, the air intensity, the knead intensity, and the heat settings. So not only can you control the foot massager from the remote, you can also control it here on the foot massager itself. It has the same little setting options. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up and see how she works. So I'm setting up the foot massager now, which was really easy to do, by the way. You just plug it in and voila, it's ready to enjoy. So like I said, this is the Bob and Brad foot massaging machine. Not only does it feature that shiatsu massaging, it also has the air compression and the heating option too. The massage and the air compression has 3 different levels of power, which range from low to medium to high, and for the heat, it has high and low. This foot massager can help with swelling and pain relief. It helps with blood flow control and recovery after working out. It also helps with plantar fasciitis, and if you spend long hours on your feet, you are definitely going to need this and you're gonna love it too. So it helps to improve blood circulation by gently tightening and releasing your feet to stimulate the blood flow. The settings are customizable and totally up to you. I had all of the settings on high because I definitely needed it after walking those 7 miles that I mentioned. The heating option is great and it heats up super fast. The heating option makes it even more relaxing. I'll have the foot massager linked down below in the description if you're interested in checking it out. I highly recommend it. Alright, enough with the relaxing. I've got to get up and get some stuff done in here today. I've been dreading this so much, but I'm glad I'm finally getting around to it. That's one thing I hate about decorating for any reason. It's fun putting it all up, but it's not so fun taking it all down and having to pack it all away. I dread doing this every time I decorate for any reason. Me and my mom used to love decorating the Christmas tree together, but once Christmas was over, we put off putting away the tree for as long as we could. One year, I wanted to avoid it altogether, so I actually drew a Christmas tree and put it on the wall, and that was our tree that year, which I know sounds really funny and dumb, but it's a true story. So anyways, you just witnessed my very overly stuffed coat closet, which is not used for coats, obviously. I use it as a storage. I have so many things in there and I really need to declutter it, but I don't feel like doing that anytime soon, so it's just gonna stay that way until I'm ready to deal with it. I'm dreading doing all of this because I have to carefully wrap everything so it doesn't break. So I'm actually gonna cut the camera off so I don't bore y'all with that and just go ahead and get it done.
You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell so tired.
So now that I've got all of that done, it's time to straighten everything up. I'm starting over here in this area because as you can see, it's a little messy right now. I'm starting off by lint rolling my couch because that's just my new thing that I love to do. I love lint rolling the couch. Definitely needs to be done, but honestly, I enjoy it because it's very satisfying. So Alan volunteered to help me today, so he's going to be doing most of the work from here until the video ends, so I hope y'all enjoy that. He's using my canister vacuum to vacuum this area, and then he's going to move on to other areas as well. He also vacuumed the couch, which I didn't even ask him to do, but I'm here for it.
I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us.
So now I'm going to straighten up this area really quick. I'm just going to get rid of all of the clutter that I had laying around and then straighten up the blanket and the pillows. Move my little space heater out of the way and the cat stuff as well, and turn on my wax warmer. And then again, Alan is going to be vacuuming the floor for me.
You're touching me around my neck, got chills down my back. You do it right, the way you're holding me. No, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop.
And then he decided he wanted to mop the floor as well, so he is using my new wet vac to get that done. I actually didn't film everything he did because I was taking breaks from filming and dealing with some emails. I wasn't even paying much attention, and before I knew it, he was mopping everywhere, which I thought was pretty sweet.
Together, making out, it's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough.
Well, anyways, we hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all go on and give Alan a thumbs up on this video for doing a good job and for being such a good hubby. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to check out the link to the foot massager down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I will see y'all next time.